Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W vertical wind turbine generator kit is an innovative energy solution designed for those interested in harnessing wind power. This specific model features a 3-blade Helix design, which not only contributes to its aesthetic appeal but also enhances its efficiency in converting wind energy into usable electrical power. Operating at a voltage of 24 volts, this system is suitable for a variety of applications, particularly in off-grid settings or for supplemental energy needs. At first glance, the vertical design of the turbine offers several advantages. Unlike traditional horizontal axis wind turbines, the vertical configuration allows it to capture wind from any direction. This can be particularly beneficial in areas where wind patterns are variable or unpredictable, as the turbine does not require constant adjustment to face the wind direction. Additionally, the 3-blade Helix design is engineered to minimize noise and vibrations during operation, making it a more suitable choice for residential installations. One of the standout features of this kit is its robust power output capability, with the potential to produce up to 18,000 watts under optimal conditions. This output can be a substantial benefit for users looking to power multiple devices or systems, or even support small-scale electrical grids. The generator's durability is also noteworthy, as it is built to withstand varying weather conditions, a crucial consideration for any outdoor installation. Setting up the wind turbine involves some basic installation skills, as users will need to mount the turbine securely and connect it to a power storage system, like batteries, to make use of the generated electricity. The kit typically includes necessary components for installation, but users should be prepared to source additional materials, depending on their specific setup requirements and location. Overall, the 18,000W vertical wind turbine generator kit is designed to provide a reliable source of renewable energy. Its vertical orientation, high power output, and quiet operation make it an appealing choice for individuals or communities interested in sustainable energy solutions. While the initial setup may require time and effort, the potential benefits of reducing reliance on traditional power sources could be a valuable investment for those committed to green energy initiatives.